Whenever I make this dessert, everyone loves it. So start by adding strawberries. They should just be cut into small little pieces like so. Then we're going to add some chopped green grapes. The quantity is optional, but you can kind of see how many I'm using. And then finish with this peach that's cut into pieces as well. And you want to just mix all of your fruit really, really well. You will love this recipe. It is delicious and it has such a delightful flavor. I think you should absolutely try this recipe at home. It's always a hit. Now, after mixing, go ahead and set aside, and we're going to continue our recipe in a saucepan. So start by adding 400 grams of cream, and don't turn on the heat just yet. Then you're going to add 400 grams of condensed milk. I love this recipe so much. I'm getting hungry just making it. Now we're going to add 1 egg yolk. And then 5 little splashes of vanilla extract. Add more or less if you prefer, but a little does go a long way. Now just mix everything together really, really well. Once you've finished mixing, we're going to turn on our heat to medium. And after thickening for a little bit, it is ready. So super easy and quick. Next, we're going to pour all of the cream over our fruit. There's no need to let it cool. You can just pour it directly onto the fruit. And then just spread really well with a spatula. Go ahead and set aside. And now we're going to finish the recipe by preparing a ganache. So melt 200 grams of chocolate in the microwave. Do it every 30 seconds. And after finishing, we're going to add 200 grams of cream. And you want to just mix everything together until it forms a nice ganache. Just mix well until the mixture is super smooth. And when finished, it is now ready. So we're just going to pour the chocolate on top of the fruit mold. I mean, look at how delicious it is. This is a great recipe to make if you don't know what to do with your fruit. I love this recipe so, so much. So just spread the rest of the chocolate with a spatula. And then you're just going to refrigerate for 2 hours. After that time, it is time to try our dessert. This is a delicious dessert. You will absolutely love the taste.